Hey, what's up, everybody? We've just got my face on the stream tonight, but we do have me and Trevor here together. So we're going to be casting and showing Trevor's screen, and he's going to walk through some of the cool stuff we did. I was able to figure out some of the Rive stuff earlier today, which is great. So now Rive is like super smooth in the background, and it's got this really cool animation when you start focusing and when you stop focusing. So I'm really excited about that. Well, I guess little kickoff. Welcome. This is Building in Public of Eat the Elephant. We are on day 34, and this is all thanks to RevenueCat. They have a Shipathon going on right now, and the point of the Shipathon is to ship a ton of code. So we've been trying to push out something every night. So if you want to join the test flight, it's down below in the comments. And Eat the Elephant, the app, is a way to help you take a really large goal that you want to accomplish and break it down into small chunks. Hence, Eat the Elephant. And so with that, what we do is when a distracting app pops up on your phone, it will show the Eat the Elephant app and say, hey, do you want to go work on this task instead? And hopefully you can get done your big goal instead of the distracting app. So thanks for joining us and following along. I was messing with it, and then last night on the stream I ended it by saying, yeah, I'm just gonna wait for Trevor to show us how to do this. Yes. Yeah, that's just how the ride view model worked. Nice. Yeah, and see how it animates and like the color calms down, and yeah, I'm excited. Here, let me share my screen and I can kind of walk through. Let's see. Yeah, I've got my screen. Yeah, sorry, let me just make sure I get it on the stream and then share it to you on FaceTime. All right, so to give a little explanation on Rive, without going too deep, maybe I will go too deep. So what I've got here is this tiled artboard. And this is just a bunch of boxes. They're all 64 pixels apart. And so what that is doing is this has an animation, a position, animation. That's it. It goes from negative 64 and then it animates to 0. And that is just set to a loop. So what that does when it plays is every second it just keeps doing that little jump. But then when you put that inside of the main artboard and you crop it and you hit play, it just it gives the illusion that it's just moving forever. And so yeah. So what I had before was I kind of had an animation for it going really fast. So here you'll notice I only have one. I just have move. Before I had move fast and then I had move slow. And so what was happening in the state machine when I was switching between them is the animation would move to here moving slowly, and then move fast was still back here starting at 0. And so when I said, okay, now go to move fast, it had this jump where the whole thing jumped back and then started moving fast. And then it would jump back to move slow and then move slow. So to fix that, I had to move the fast and slow into this main artboard. But all it's doing is saying, hey, that animation of move, when we're going fast, I want it to go 5 times as fast. And then when we're in slow, I want it to go like 0.5 speed. So it's going really slow. And then in the state machine, there's this cool thing in Rive called blend. And what blend will do is it will take 2 different timelines, and you can kind of see with this, it kind of blends the keyframes together and it just kind of creates what the keyframe should be. So then I have something over here in the view model called multiplier. And if that multiplier number is 0, then the timeline will be 100% slow. If it's 100, it'll be 100% fast. But you can see how if it's any number in between, it's going to be kind of an intermediate mix of those two. And since slow is 0.5 speed and fast is 5 speed, right here, halfway is 2.5 speed. So by passing in a different number into the multiplier, you're able to kind of speed it up and slow it down with this blend mode. And then the way to get the multiplier to go back and forth, I'd love if somebody has a better way to do this, but this is what I did. I just have a text box that is animating. Let's see, I think I have it right. I just put it on color and off color. So this text box is moving from position 100 to position 0. And so the multiplier here in the view model is attached to this position number. And so as that position number is animating, it then animates the speed. So it's pretty cool how it works. And here is going between on color and off color, which is what's moving this box and then also doing the color. And so Trevor, this is where we're able to say how fast we want that transition to be. So right now it's set to half a second and then it has this nice curve on it. So it doesn't that's why it doesn't feel jarring, because it like slowly ramps up and like does that. So pretty cool. And I think what's pretty cool is that I'm able to do all of this in Rive, and then all you have to do in the code, Trevor, is say true or false on a bool. Like, mm-hmm. Yeah. And then I've got all this stuff that I'm using in here. I think we are. Are we passing tint color? Did we pass tint color?
We have this thing to update color, but we are not
Okay.
we're not calling it at all.
Yeah, because that's something we'll be able to do once we have the themes in there. Is just easily change the color.
Yeah. Shall I like add that and try it? Like
Yeah, yeah, we could try it.
like it works right now? Yeah, let's try it.
Yeah, yeah, that would work right now.
So I'm gonna make another add state var color and like
We might have to mess with what color needs. I'm assuming it just needs a hex code, but it might be more involved than that.
so I'm doing kind of the same thing. Like I'm gonna have it where I can pass in the color if I want to. Also color is gonna be color. And then whenever color changes, I'll call this RIV model update color, which takes a UI color. So I'll do UI color, and that's what maybe I need to figure out. From chat, like Swift convert color to UI color. I guess I can just pass it in.
Yeah, I'm seeing that it is just passing in a UI color. I don't know. Did it work? If you just pass in like, yeah, or something like red, because red will for sure be different. Well, it didn't change it to blue, did it?
It didn't, but I think it's because this on change only happens when it changes. So let's try. See if that's possible. I think maybe I could do this on change by permission.
And let me see. I'm checking to make sure we're passing in the right stuff.
Oh yeah, I can use this.
That was it. It worked. Let's see.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, that's red.
that's that's pink. We try cyan. So maybe one thing we need to make sure is yeah. Okay, let me. So we're started at we're starting at cyan. This is what it looks like. But then when I hit this change to red,
Hmm.
oh that's sick.
Yeah, that
It just
worked.
worked.
That just worked. And now it goes fast as red.
Nice.
Oh, man, that's so satisfying.
So all we need to do is like have the color thing, and then whenever you create a background ID color, you can option pass in a
He's just
color.
passing a color.
And if that's like a state variable, you can change the color and it will automatically handle re-render for you. So I could have like change to blue, so then I should be able to just flip between the two.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
So right now it's red, or like it's cyan, and I can change to red, change to blue,
Oh, nice. That's so cool.
and as it's going fast,
That feels like alert right there, dude.
yeah,
The cops are coming.
yeah, that's fun. Okay, yeah, that should be good. As long as like, yeah, maybe
Or theme. Yeah, cyan. Yeah. Can you just do default theme? Don't we?
Themes.
Don't we have a theme in here? Don't we have
We don't have a
a
theme.
tint color? Is that what it's called?
We do have a tint. Yeah, maybe I do. You might have to pull up from the environment.
Yeah. Sometimes it just makes stuff up, for sure. But that doesn't look made up. Just the environment slash tint color.
Yeah, well, I think that's what I had. I guess, yeah, it looks like this tint color is inaccessible due to package protection agreement.
Hmm.
I think it exists, but it's only like through private APIs.
Oh, okay.
So we'll look into that.
Okay.
But yeah, anyways, I'll show you like what focus mode does. I did have this background ID without passing in anything.
Mm-hmm.
So now all I do is pass in doing if the task is currently focused.
So did you? But did you set up task is currently focused?
This was something I already had.
Oh, okay.
Like this is what I had set up when I was doing that focus mode streams.
Okay. I think that's what I. Yeah, that's what I missed because I was like trying to figure out where to put that bool.
Anyways, yeah, this is where like yeah the buttons down here. It depends on that is currently focused.
Great.
If I'm not currently focused, it doesn't. But then when I hit start task, that bool changes. So then it passes back through to the background. So
Yeah, look at that.
and if you hit pause, then the bool changes in focus mode.
Here, let's just clean up that elephant while we're here right now.
Yeah, let's do it. Do you have
Yeah,
filters?
I'll just export you the PNG.
I'll call it app icon. Um, no background or was it transparent?
Okay. At icon. Well, here, yeah, trans. Sorry, I'm just exporting it. All right, I'm sending it over. Almost. Okay, see if that guy works better. The EAT is still black, which to me makes sense because we want to be able to see eat. All right, but sorry, I've distracted us for too long. Fix that, and then we need to get onboarding going.
Oh, it's better.
Yeah, there we go. And then that there we'll animate something eventually. Uh,
Yeah.
that's been the
So,
that's been the other animation I've been working on. But Rive is adding scripting soon,
oh really?
which yeah, I mean once it adds scripting, then I mean what's not possible at that point.
Yeah.
So then I'm hoping I can have all the dots like do because it's a lot of dots. It's like over 100.
Yeah. Don't we have chat? Count 'em?
Did we have chat count? It was like 130 or something.
Yeah, it's like crazy.
It is a lot. Is a lot. So it's it. I have not figured out a way yet to have them randomly come in and do stuff. So
Yeah. Awesome. Okay. Should we get back to onboarding?
yeah.
Okay. So we've got these screens ready to start news polling. Perfect. No issues. What do you want to accomplish instead? Looks great. This looks good. We just need like some confetti.
Okay. Guess what app I downloaded this week?
What?
The Robo Taxi app went wide release this week.
Tesla?
Yeah. So I downloaded it, and you'll have to download it. You could actually use it if you download it. It'll say I'll come pick you up. You should take it to work one day.
Oh, is it sick?
I'd be really curious your experience. Yeah. And
How would you like?
no, I think it's capped. I think it's capped at $4.20 a ride.
I'll text you. When I'm streaming. Say hi. Sarah says hi.
Hey, uh, no,
420.
I think it's capped at 420. It might be capped at $6.90.
That, yeah, that would make a little bit more sense. But
It
even then, that's cheap.
yeah. So, but anyways, when you do it and you fill it out and you say I'm interested, the next screen confetti.
Oh, really?
And I'm
That's fun.
I'm like I don't know. I was 80% confident that they're using the same confetti generator we are.
Oh, really?
Just
Yeah, that's
because,
pretty fun.
yeah, just because of the look. And
Seems like
I was like, I'm pretty sure. I'm like, that looks pretty familiar. But Tesla does all of their apps in React. So it's,
oh, really? Dude, there's already a couple things like I feel like they could do better. This, they don't have a launch screen. Second thing is it pops up and the image they're loading it.
mm,
So there's that little bit of like
yeah,
where it's not pausing.
yeah. Well, they're like, they update stuff fast in their apps. Like with Grok, it,
Oh, really?
yeah, I think Elon said they're pushing like, a, oh, how many updates was it? It was like 3 or 4 times more updates than anyone else, any of the competitors.
That's, I'll be interested to see.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll,
Here, let me hide your screen for a sec.
oh, it just auto flips. That's weird.
Oh, okay. I'll still hide it for a sec. Let me know when you log in.
Okay,
Okay. You do want to allow. You've got to write it for me, man.
I'll do it for you. You need to pay a frequency fee.
I will pay the cost if you live stream me the whole time.
Yeah, dude. Screen on. Okay. I can do it.
Yeah, you're in.
That looks fun.
So
Join waitlist.
so join waitlist, and then you have to allow while using app.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yep.
So maybe I do it later.
Say don't allow,
Yeah, next week.
and then it just probably won't let you join.
We'll see. Yeah, okay.
Oh, bummer.
Maybe
Okay, yeah, we'll do that when you get home. When you get home in a couple weeks or next week, and then you can see the confetti because I think I've already triggered the confetti, so I can't see it.
but yeah, you think it's just the same confetti that we used?
And it was fun. It was good. It was gold confetti, and it wasn't too much, and it just came from the top of the screen and went down, and it like didn't bother me at all. I was like, that was cool. And we've already got confetti in our monorepo.
Yeah. Oh, did we already?
Yeah.
Is it in the components?
I think you put it in there.
Confetti, yeah. Oh,
Mm.
comments now.
What
Kind of.
is test confetti?
Yeah.
But we have it in top 100.
Yeah, let me open a couple of these.
And I probably need to rework the confetti options.
We're doing it in our game view, right? Our TV game view.
Yeah, at the end.
Buzzer and confetti overlay.
Mm-hmm.
Boost confetti. Okay, so this is, yeah, this is confetti. Maybe I didn't add it to the package because I didn't want to pull in like confetti CPI into the package at that point. But we could totally do that. Let me first top 100. So yeah, do list. Yeah, it's just that we don't do confetti CPI. So I'm gonna do confetti palette.
Yeah, I think their app is in React Native, which Awardco chose to do React Native too, right?
Yeah.
So I don't know if that package works with React Native, so maybe it's not the same. But also, you were saying, Trevor, that we might not be able to know how many apps someone selected if they select a category, which
Yeah, I'll start
is
doing that.
great. So maybe we just need the design to be like blocking screens or something that's like, okay, you're set up, it's working. Or if they select nothing, then something that's like, hey, are you sure? You didn't select anything.
Yeah, I think so.
That might be.
I'll show you what
It,
that looks
it
like.
might not matter how many they select. It doesn't. But as long as they select more than 0.
And okay, so we got this confetti view. We want to just have it where no, no.
I think just the confetti, as that's coming in, the confetti falls at the same time. And it had a haptic. It had a haptic too. Just one. Just one like pop. I don't know why Swift doesn't have confetti just built in at this point.
I know, right? We just call it confetti. Oh, you know, how soon we do
You,
all this like needs to be public.
yeah. And we need to pass in colors. Because there's no in it.
Do we need to pass in colors every time?
Well, with the way we set it up, yes.
So what colors?
I mean, probably just white. Yeah, white or cyan. You can just pass in one color. Oh, and everything's private still.
Yeah, I updated it. So this is public.
How do I?
This is public.
Mm,
Initializer. Oh no, it's right there.
what is the thing with? It's the newest Xcode build, but you can choose your AI tool for auto completing code. Have you
Have it like
messed with that? Well, I haven't messed with it because I'm not on the newest build, and I'm like, I'll just worry about the newest build when I can update everything and not have to be in beta. But yeah, you can choose. From what I understood, you could choose whoever you wanted. Like you could pass in an API key or something.
yeah, it looks like you can. So I oh that's so nice.
Yeah, they're admitting that theirs is not good.
That
But you can add a model. You can add a model provider. You can add whoever you want.
yeah, you can add your URL API key.
So you could do Claude
So nice.
or Gemini or Grok.
Hopefully, I don't know if it'll be like full Claude, like able to execute code and like paste code into.
I mean, they've got to be working on that. Like, yeah, they've got to figure that out fast. They've got to figure it out fast because Cursor is figuring it out fast.
Really weird. Yeah, I don't like the predictive code model, like the built-in one. Okay, maybe I'll check this later because I do need to close
Okay.
that.
Yeah, for tomorrow, you can look into it and see if you want to get set up on that. Then you don't have to keep bouncing back and forth.
Okay, so now let's see if this works. Now that so I had to create a public initializer. So basically, when you create a struct like a view, or like yeah, any structs. So views are structs.
Turn show confetti to true. Set show confetti to true.
So
Sorry, and then you keep talking.
you want to like
No. Up, 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 up. You have show confetti set to false as the variable. So it did not show. Okay, there you go. Okay, sorry. Keep explaining.
yeah. So any structs you put on your code, and it doesn't require an initializer. It creates one
Yeah, see, we got to clean that up from our top 100. The For those watching, this confetti here playing is optimized for a TV game show that we made called Top 100, and it looks great on the TV. It looks really good when a team wins, but not so great on here.
Yeah, but how do we want to?
Well, I don't know if you want to set up like
Yeah, we just
separate view, like separate functions, if that makes sense, like separate styles, like, and then maybe I just like an enum where I just pick my style.
yeah, dude, let's do that. Confetti cannon.
So maybe I just do like celebrate, phone celebrate maybe or something. Maybe we could be specific on, I don't know. Something like that. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So there's a num. Needs confettis. This is a list of confetti type. Needs colors. This is a list of colors. Confetti
Yeah, pretty much all that stuff.
Oh, that might be nice. Like if we set rain height to 0, I wonder what.
Yeah, rain height at 0. It's not. See how it flies up?
Yeah.
I think that'll just have it fall down.
Oh, it has it where it doesn't fall. Well,
Oh, okay, so rain is coming down. Repetition, haptic feedback.
maybe the radius. If we have it be only 180.
Radius.
Oh, I guess no, that's like how wide things are.
Yeah, there might be another. Remind me what it's called. The package. Just confetti, Swift confetti. Swift UI confetti.
Confetti Swift UI.
Yeah. Let's see. There's an opening angle. Yeah, I'd have to mess with it again. Oh, radius. Is that what you changed?
That's what I was wondering, yeah.
Radius
360?
is the explosion radius.
Oh, cool. Okay. Is there anything that allows it to not shoot up?
Let's see. Yeah, it just kind of has it fall. None of their examples did that. All of their examples shot up. I think what you do is you place it like at the top of the screen, and then it will shoot up above the viewport, and then it'll fall down.
So that's me trying to
I,
Figures.
oh, I guess yeah. Configuration's fine. Confetti configuration. Yeah, and they have an app where you can. I wonder if I still have it. And you can just mess with all the different configuration things and then see what it looks like on your phone.
Nice. Okay, so now let's see.
Yeah, I must not still have it. Oh, how'd you clean it up like that? What'd you press?
If you like highlighter on the thing, you control
N
M.
M. Okay, good to know.
Something.
Yeah, and the colors is tricky because for top 100, it's pulling in your two theme colors. Yeah. Color you might be able, so the way color works is it's just an array, so you could probably take it out of the configuration.
Yeah, I'm just wondering, like, maybe for the top 100 config, it'll be a function and you still pass in the colors.
Yes. Yep.
But the other configs you can have be
If they don't have variable color. Yes.
okay. So this is so now down here I like the config of top 100 puts red versus blue. So this should still look like it's still top 100.
What's it saying? Yeah,
in public and really make sure they're comfy colors.
great.
So
Yeah, that's awesome. This is clean.
yeah, and then
So do like eat.
mostly oh sorry.
I was gonna say do eat the elephant onboarding, but
So this one should be
so numb probably double numb. Well, maybe 45.
so make it like top 100 EDU and then everything else medium.
So, yeah, probably the cyan color, like that same. Okay, repeat repetitions is 1. Yeah, it just needs to be 1.
Haptic is true then.
Haptic can be true.
Leakage or loss?
Uh, that doesn't matter. Radius. Yeah, I mean, I don't know.
Yeah, looks like she's just asking.
I think height needs to be. Yeah, there we go. Is there speed? Is there no speed on any of this? I don't think there is.
I guess there is maybe names somewhere. Oh, so these are all the actual options. So maybe we add more. This is what I thought we had when we did top 100, but we can actually do some specific things.
Yeah.
So we
Yeah.
could add these as well.
I guess can you make stuff optional? Technically, you can make everything optional. You can make the whole thing optional. Because the confetti has a default. It'll work.
Do you want and then we set all these to like codes out to a master shell handle. I don't know if they still want the defaults.
Yeah, they do. 60 degrees is the default.
Defaults are opening is 60
Yeah,
and closing.
is 120. I'm not exactly sure what those do though. Nice.
So last ones.
Yeah, so I don't think we want it to fade out. I think we want it to fall off the screen. So fade out can be false. Opacity, yeah, I think can be just 1. I don't know what opening angle does. I'm curious if it's 0, what it does. Yeah, and I like it just falls down. Oh, that was kind of. See, 0, but it's like 90. It's a. Yeah, why though? What does that mean? 0 degrees. Do negative 180. Is that a number? Does that work? Yeah, it says. Exactly. Exactly. But is it 360 degrees? Opening angle, closing angle. I see. So I'm creating this, something like this. I'm creating a pie shape, and one line is, well, what angle is this? So if you make them both 0, it'll just shoot. I don't know why 0 starts at the right though. Is that just how math works? I should know. Is that trigonometry? Zero is 45 degrees. Oh, okay. Directly to the right, yeah. So, and then, okay. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, but I think you got it. So I think we want it to be at the top of the screen maybe, and then it shoots down. Or it starts at your goal and shoots out. Just like your goal kind of fades in and then so it's just 360 all the way around. 0, 360. Yeah, and then if it's just like the goal. Yeah. Okay. Little more though. A little more than 100. On radius. Radius a little more. You want some of them to go off the screen. I think. I think so. That's fine. Yeah. Yeah. C60. I kind of want to get rid of the triangles and yeah, the triangles. Just the slim rectangles.
You just want some rectangles?
I don't know. No, well, yeah. And squares? Maybe it's just the triangle, because that's like, doesn't happen in confetti. I don't know. It's hard to pick the shapes. Or emojis? Can we pass in emojis? I think we can pass in emojis.
That's what I was trying to figure out too.
You love emojis. Here, I'll tell you. Here we go. Confettis. Confettis is just text, and then you just drop emojis in, dude. So do confettis and then text. Are you seeing it? Do you see it?
Yeah, dude.
That's it. That's what it is. Well, we don't. I mean, you could do an H.
I was just thinking that too.
Yeah, dude.
Reload. Broken?
Just. Oh yeah, you did it wrong. You need yeah, the same thing. You need brackets and then dot text. So you need that dot text in brackets. Here, I can send it to you. Oh wait, no you don't. I don't know. Maybe it doesn't have all emojis. Try an older emoji. It doesn't make sense that it wouldn't handle it, but yeah, definitely. It can't do 50 emojis. It just can't handle it.
You could pass in an image. Maybe, this might not work now because we're in the package. So if I hit add this to this, is it broken?
I don't know. Go back to the shapes and see if it's something else we broke or if. Yeah, there you go.
Let's try this emoji and circles.
Oh. Did we just? Did you just need a comma? That's weird though. Why would it need one?
Because both of these work. If I take this one out.
That's weird. That's not what their example shows. Their example just has the one. Is it something with our config? No. Confetti type? I don't know. Just add 2 emojis. See if that.
Then if I add a circle. And F.
Yeah, we'll live with it. Do slim rectangle then. That'd be my vote. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we need more emojis in there, dude.
Unexpected disaster.
Mm. Just nice. Just push out those slim rectangles. Yeah, just change color to black and you won't see it. Or clear. Change color to clear. Got him. Got him, dude. Darn. It set the elephants to clear too, huh? Yeah, got him.
Sometimes they'll do that clear thing, dude. Okay, so now we can only have one, but I think we just do like double the number of options and things.
Boom.
Do you like that? Or do you think people are gonna be like, oh, what?
Yeah, what? What emoji?
Different
You
emoji?
want like dollar sign emoji or party popper emoji or like thumbs up emoji? Like a bunch of thumbs ups
Do you think they're gonna be like, oh, where are all the thumbs downs?
or like the good job or hands like woohoo praise hands or clap
This one?
clap. No, that's pray hands. Praise hands.
Raise?
Praise.
Oh, yeah.
You can't really tell what that is. Maybe or melty face is my favorite emoji, but it's not good here.
This one?
Lightning bolts could be a thing. I don't know. Ooh.
Maybe this is a little too much. Ah,
Well, do you want to just shoot them down and then have the whole thing off screen so you just like see them? They just fall. All they do is fall.
that's hilarious. Some hilarious. So we can change them if we need to. Yeah, let's try that. Let's try this one. Let's eat the elephant one. Make it reset. User, so it should be at the very top. Ignore some safer. So it should be at the very top.
Yeah, and then it just kind of falls down.
And
It's
what
like
is with the opening 360? We could do it where,
we should just have it open down.
yeah,
Zero.
oh, 180 to 0. 180 to 360.
Yeah, that's.
Or we can even do like,
Yeah, that. Well, no, that seemed fine. Oh, a little bit more. Oh, I see.
so it's like,
Yeah, I say crank up the radius.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
The emoji. I don't know. Dollar face sign emoji. Maybe we just throw in a couple emojis.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, a little bit bigger feels nice too. I love how we're like, yeah, let's just do confetti later, and then we're like, no, actually, let's spend the whole night. Look, it's gonna be a good app. It's gonna have the details.
Oh, Paul, dude.
I mean, I'm kind of down with like mega fat icons.
Yeah. Mega fat. Um,
Just that meme life. I think thumbs up. I think thumbs up or did you feel like it was saying thumbs down though? Is that what you're saying?
no, I was just joking. I do like the thumbs up. I feel like there's too many
That's
yellow. Let's pick out the face. Maybe take out the lighting and just do thumbs up in all cases.
yeah. Then you figure out what it is.
Yeah, I like that. Maybe take away the glass.
Yeah. That's gonna be fun.
I like that. Oh, maybe yeah, let's do this, and then you want to
Wait, do set rain height to 0. I'm curious, does that just make it not fall anything? Oh, and then go away. So if rain height is 1,000, I guess that's bigger than all the screens. That'll be fine. I don't know about iPads though. Well, there you go. Infinity. It hates you.
yeah, 10,000 is that trash?
I mean, that's a long ways for it to fall. Oh, see, it does go slower.
Oh,
So there is something.
why is that the case? I feel like it would go faster.
Right, because it's like has to fall all that way.
Yeah, so we'll do only 100.
But then it goes away after 100. 1,000 was pretty good.
Yo, why is it so slow? Oh my
Yeah, we can't do that.
Sounds good, yeah. But that, 1,000's good. Maybe like do 500 instead. Does it go faster?
Well, then maybe just do fades out just in case like somebody's screen size is,
Oh, yeah.
you know? Cuz now it'll just kind of go and then
Okay. Yeah, that's much better.
okay.
If that's the case, I'm gonna have to screen.
And it doesn't fall enough. It's not enough. 500 could do it.
I kind of dig that.
Yeah.
Like where it falls, and then like
A little more. Little more.
yeah.
Yeah. I kind of want it to reach the bottom like okay, yeah, I'm down with that. That looks good.
I like that. Okay, opacity still at one.
Opacity 1, yeah. No, I don't. I mean, you can see what it looks like. But the fade happens, so
One. Right now feels a little like in your face. Whereas this, like, I don't know, maybe it blends better for me. No, let's keep it at one.
we want it to be in your face. You just did it. You just accomplished the thing.
Yeah. Okay, repetition one, repetition that should matter. 50. I think it's everything, right? Right.
Okay. Awesome.
We try adding it then?
Yeah. Well, you already did add it.
Happen. Well, right now I think it would come from the middle.
Yeah, it needs to be at the top of the screen. What was that?
And then something's there.
That didn't reload, right? That didn't load something. You didn't hit save on the other screen.
Oh, it did. Yeah, let's try that.
The size was way small.
As with the wrong emojis, then for sure. Yeah, it's the lighting. So,
Dang. Didn't look bad though. Just clean your build. So if they update something,
Yeah, just like right now we're changing all this confetti stuff, and we're not using it in top 100. So, no, we're not. But if we were, we would break top 100
yeah.
if we like are messing with packages. So we need to have it like where we can run tests across all our apps.
Hmm.
Anyways, I think
It
we did a
worked.
little bit too much.
Oh, the confetti altogether? It's for some reason it's messing with the stuff. Maybe not. It's just sitting at the top, the V scroll view. I kind of want the confetti, you know, when that revenue cat and then it like does that lift up thing?
Yeah,
That's when I want it to happen.
yeah. Okay, so let's try that. So I do have this show
Boom.
confetti. So I'm gonna have if show confetti at the start is false, and then this is the animation. So wait for the animation to finish, and then we can say show confetti equals true.
Nice. I don't know. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. I can mess with size and stuff if we want still, but
Yeah.
it's fun.
And then
It's there and it's fun. Oh yeah, that made a huge difference.
but it pushes the thing away, the gold guy maybe.
Can't have that.
So maybe we just do it kind of like how we did it. Whereas, yeah, still put it in our background. Okay,
Yeah, I like it in the background.
nice. Okay, yeah, I'm down with that.
Push it.
Yeah, man.
Okay, I gotta jump off, but yeah, that was awesome. Thank you for doing all the little
Yeah, no problem,
details.
no problem. Yeah, I dig, I dig.
So tomorrow's Sunday. We're taking the day off tomorrow, and then we'll be back Monday, and we'll keep grinding out onboarding.
Nice. Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll push this. Oh wait, really quick before you get off, do you want me to show you? I was working on. I couldn't figure out like a good animation. I think there's a cap on animation for the app count. So
Hmm.
I don't know, but yeah, maybe yeah,
I mean, that looks pretty good.
before Monday, we can't have this number because we don't know how many apps. So
Yeah.
let's just simplify the screen to say like, congrats, you blocked.
Yeah, like apps blocked, and then maybe we do a party popper of like the like blocked emojis, but just like from the center, like quicker, smaller, kind of just,
Yeah.
and then they can just fade real quick.
Like instead of having to edit blocked apps, you can have just a nice. Is that what you're thinking?
I mean, that's fine. Yeah, yeah.
Cool.
I also started working on our prompt for ChatGPT to get your like like to yeah to get some goals back. But yeah, chat was saying that we need to go through Firebase. I mean, he gave me all the code, but it was saying we need to call Firebase. Firebase will call chat, and then it'll send it back through, which I'm like is great. But is there a way that we're not storing anyone's data? Like, can it go through that process, either encrypted or go through that process, like like we can't monitor it? Because I'm like, otherwise we'll know everyone's tasks, all of them,
Yeah.
and I don't want to know that. So, something to think about. That's why the on-device stuff is going to be so nice.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, just be so much more secure. And I guess that event's on Tuesday. So
Are you excited?
I was thinking we should we should do a live stream where we watch it and then we have our faces like reacting, and me and you can just like chat about it as it goes. Well,
I know Sarah was excited to watch it. And my watching it because she's like, oh, this is like the first time we'll be able to watch it together because she's on work.
oh, fun. All right, yeah. No, do that. Do that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, well, we did. We scheduled the meeting room. Yeah, I'll probably do that again. I'll do that again.
Yeah, dude. But yeah, we could just talk about it at the after this.
Okay. Okay, we'll do that.
And I still need to figure out when I can do the live stream too.
Okay. On the live stream.
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever night.
I'll chat with Sarah tonight and we can figure out exactly.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, let me know what day.
Okay, dude. Okay.
Hey, does that yes button work? Does that yes button work? Because it didn't work on my.
No, and that's what I'm working on now. I'm gonna have it. I want to see if it's cool. Just add it to. I'll add the recast.
Yeah, get that yes button working.
Yeah, okay. I'll get that working right now. But you're streaming.
Okay.
Yeah, if we want to end the stream, I'll just do it offline.
Well, I'll stop it. Thanks everybody for joining. We'll see you Monday.